Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide Thread SB from Instagram. To get started, let's open the Instagram app. Make sure you have already downloaded the Instagram app on your device. So here, in this interface, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it. It will navigate you to the profile page. Now, click on Edit Profile. It will navigate you to this interface. Here, you can see Show Thread Space. If you want to show it, then turn it on. And if you want to hide it, then turn it off. So, in this way, you can turn off this SP on Instagram. So that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.